what we are estimating based on just, I guess, a bit of eyeballing at this point until we get a detailed survey. But if you look at the distance between here and here, we've got about 40 meters. Given the fact that this is already only about half a meter under the ground, well, if you run at 40 meters, that's now 40 centimeters higher up here, assuming the ground level is equal. There's a gentle fall, but it's not much. So there is a very real chance that we can only bring the stormwater about that far. Why is that a problem? Well, if the whole site needs to drain to it, you've got to have some kind of a solution there. Now, typically what you would do is you would bring that all the way up to, if you remember, we were looking at having an access handle down the middle to access these rear blocks. So if that's the plan, and that's the most efficient plan because it's the least amount of road, the least amount of lost space, you want as much saleable land as possible. Well, highly unlikely we can actually get that pipe to here with enough cover. So that then brings in the issue of, okay, well, what do you do? Well, you're allowed to have less cover on it when it's inside your property. So we probably need to bring it inside the property then. But then that is starting to force us to fill this area here, which is where we want to keep the house, potentially.